de me donner un compte rendu, un avis, to give me a sort of review, an opinion. Et ils étaient enfin, bouleversés. They were blown away. Ils ont dit que c'était époustouflant. They said it was absolutely mind-blowing. It was really good. Good. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres choses? Is there anything else? Oui, la seule chose que j'ai envie de stresser, de souligner encore, the only thing I really want to stress and go over again, c'est que il faut pas devenir experte en, enfin, la lecture, enfin, lire en français. You don't want to become an expert in reading in French. Donc il faut que quand vous... Donc il y a une vidéo, il y a, enfin, une des miennes, one of my ones, je vous la propose. Euh, Ça s'appelle The Reading Rules. Ok? Ok? Et ça vous dirait comment lire en français correctement. And that would tell you how to read in French correctly. Parce qu'avant tout, vous ne voulez surtout pas lire quelque chose en français pour pouvoir traduire, déchiffrer enfin, des espèces de symboles sans entendre enfin, une voix innée. That you don't want to be able to read it, you don't want to read something and then sort of translate it visually like hieroglyphics. You want a sort of innate voice that you hear the words, que vous entendiez les mots. Donc, vous allez lire les sous-titres et vous allez effectivement vous allez tourner la tête, you're going to turn your head, et comme si vous étiez sur scène, as if you're on stage, vous allez dire les lignes, you're going to say the lines, the text. So, okay, because avant tout, c'est primordial, c'est hyper important que le français devienne ou reste ou quoi que ce soit une langue parlée pour vous. Okay? So French needs to become a spoken language for you. All right? Souvent, je travaille avec des gens et je leur dirai un mot. So often I work with people and I'll tell them a word. Et, et après l'avoir dit, and after saying it, ben, ils ne captent que dalle, they don't understand anything. Et je leur dis ce que ça veut dire en anglais, and I tell them what it means in English. Et ils disent, oh yeah, V-I-N-G, et ils commencent à l'appeler. They start to spell it. C'est-à-dire qu'ils l'auraient reconnu enfin, visuellement, mais enfin, leur écoute est très faible. Okay? You know, but their listening is really weak. So, bravo Netflix, on vous félicite. Vous avez fait un travail. Enfin, sincèrement, ce que vous avez fait, c'est formidable. Honestly, well done Netflix. You've done a brilliant job. What you've done is amazing. Netflix Chrome Extension. Avant de le télécharger, si vous aimeriez voir un peu comment ça fonctionne, before downloading, if you want to see how it works, il y a aussi, je vais aussi attacher un lien à une petite page, effectivement, qui vous parle de comment ça fonctionne. There's a little page which talks to you about how it works. Si vous n'avez pas l'argent pour vous inscrire à Netflix, pour vous abonner à Netflix, je comprends bien. If you don't have the money to sign up to Netflix, I understand. Évidemment, il y a pas mal de matos sur YouTube. There's loads of material on YouTube qui est sous-titré, which is subtitled. Ou peut-être vous connaissez quelqu'un, je sais pas, qui fait partie de votre cours de français, la classe, someone who's in your class, in your French class, qui pourrait partager, je sais pas, le coût de Netflix. Donc, c'est-à-dire que vous pourriez utiliser deux inscriptions en même temps. So perhaps you could share the sign-in. Yeah, ça serait utile. Because, sincèrement, c'est un outil formidable. It's a brilliant learning tool. It really, really is. Okay, guys, so I'm done on this one. I hope it was useful. I really, genuinely, really cannot recommend it enough. It's absolutely fantastic. It's lovely. It's so well laid out. It will automatically, go onto your PC once you've uploaded it. Not a lot of hard drive space, just a Chrome extension, and it just absolutely transforms. According to my students that have tried it, it just transforms the experience. We minimise looking up time. You're hearing words, you're seeing them in the subtitles, then you can click on the same word straight away. You haven't got to go and look away, type things. It's a very, very, very logical step. Yeah? C'est pas très logique. I mean, I've been preaching about the benefits of Netflix as a learning tool for a long time. Ça fait là, je parle tu as des avantages de Netflix comme outil. I mean, really, I've been saying how good it is for the longest time. Or, to be fair, you know, anything else which provides you with subtitled content. But this extension is just really worth the money. Really worth the money. I have to stress as well that if you pay for Netflix Chrome Extension Pro, which I think is an additional in the UK, I think it's an additional £3 per month. So that would be what, about $4.50, $5 in the States. Then that allows you to make up a list, dresser une liste of the vocabulary that you've clicked on. So if you know it's a weak word, if you think, oh yeah, I know that one, or I would have gotten that one if I get it, but I am not so super sure. But if you think that is a completely new word, I would really like to go and be able to check that later. With the Netflix Chrome Extension Pro, you can make up your own list. And there are other couple of advantages which are on there. But I was just talking about the main functionality of it today. So let me know underneath if you find it useful. Let me know if you've all previously and traditionally been using subtitled content based on my recommendations. I will put the reading rules video underneath so that you are pronouncing the material properly. Yeah, that above everything else is completely important. Completely important. We don't want you to visually recognise French. We want you to hear a sound and associate that with what that means as a cognate. We do not want you to be visualising the stuff the whole time. So let me know what you think about it. Many of you might have already done it. Yeah, let me know underneath and have a lovely, lovely day. And can I just say, when I told a couple of people that I was sick, quand j'ai dit à plusieurs personnes que j'étais malade, one person said, do you have any medication or any, you know, paracetamol, whatever. Enfin, une personne m'a demandé si j'avais tu as du paracétamol. 6 people said to me, oh no, do you have Netflix? Stay in bed. 6 personnes m'ont dit, vous avez Netflix, tu as Netflix, reste au lit. Interesting. Okay? Guys, I will speak to you very soon. Take care.